I don't like how it sounded over there. Yes.
What happened,
you are the person that gives those people wings to fly. Eh? How will you sample their opinion before making a decision? You are the landlord of this yard. You make your decisions on your own without anybody's opinion.
So when did I become God now to give people wings to fly? Or have I turned myself magician to now produce or make them have wings to fly? I want you to do me a favor.
What?
I want you to do me a favor, Eliza. When next I'm having meeting with my tenants, I don't want to see you there. I want to be alone. Let me have it alone.
What do you mean by that? How? I don't understand.
Because I don't like what you said in that.
You are the landlord and I am the landlady. Any decision you make, I have to be there. In an ear. Nonsense.
Is that where you were wishing me dead?
Me?
Yes.
Wish you dead? How?
Were you expecting me to die? Or were you praying that I should die?
Look at them work happy, Kokwan. Because number go get one. Me that I'm trying to help you. Me that I was even trying to help you. Because camera go get one people.
You were trying to help me.
I was trying to help you now.
Help yourself first.
Look at work happy, Kokwan.
Elizabeth, help yourself first. You need help. You need help yourself. Don't help me. You want to help me. You are helping me. Help yourself. You don't even help yourself to carry yourself around. You should help me. An actual man like me.
Yeah. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
So you are peeping at Sandra?
How do you know that it is Sandra that is in there since you are not peeping too?
Come on, will you shut up? I will never let you go scot-free.
Don't insult me.
Come on.
Don't insult me.
Why are you better? Come on. Come and see your stupid son, oh.
What's happening?
Come on. Jesus, you're holding my trouser.
Ogini, what's happening there, Ogini?
I caught your son peeping at Sandra when she was taking her bait.
Hey, it's a lie. I'm the one that caught you peeping at Sandra.
Come on, will you shut up?
Hey, no, will you shut up yourself? How dare you tell my son to shut up? How dare you shout at him? In Apuala. You saw the maybe. What's happening here?
Sandra, I was just telling Nwanyi that I caught her stupid son peeping at you while you were taking your bait.
Ebuka, were you actually peeping at me while I was taking my bath?
My friend, let go of my son. Let go of my son. It's my son's words against this Osita.
What?
Yes. How are we even sure that you're not the one doing the peeping?
Me?
Yes.
Nwanyi, but I cannot believe you're saying this. Instead of scolding your stupid son.
And who is going to scold you? Me. Who is going to do that? Nonsense. Anyways, no need beating about the bush. Since there is no circumstantial evidence as per who was actually doing the peeping, this case is null and void. All the accused persons discharged and acquitted.
What are you doing?
Closed.
Just like that?
Yes, just like that.
Is this how you handle this matter?
Yeah, I will catch you.
Nonsense.
No problem.
Yeah.
You're such a sweet girl.
So when am I getting the money?
Wow. Today.
Thank you.
I have the money with me, okay?
You're such a darling.
Yeah. See, let me just tell you, there will be more money for you as long as you're a good girl and remain for me.
Sure, I will.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah. Come on. It's for you.
Osita, please open the door now. Osita, open this door. I know you are in there, please. Osita, I want to talk to you, please. I'm say sorry. I didn't know that the lady is your cousin. Please forgive me and open this door, please. Okay, you know what? I promise to make it up to you at our usual place by 4 p.m. Osita. Osita, please, now I want to see your face, please. Okay, it's fine. Since you are still angry, I'll go and come back.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, you, I'm calling you.
Okay, landlord.
Don't landlord me. Don't landlord me. Osita, I think you are getting crazy. Of all the girls in this neighborhood, it's my daughter that you have chosen to vandalize.
Okay, landlord, calm down.
Calm down for what? Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down.
Okay, landlord. The girl you've been sleeping with in my room, she is someone's daughter too. And as a matter of fact, she's the best friend to your daughter. Hey, what are we not talking about?
Okay. Is that what you want to tell me? Okay. Which means you've been sleeping with my daughter all this while. Eh? Look, let me just tell you something. You have less than 2 weeks to move out of my compound. Did you hear what I said?
Hey. Okay, landlord. You cannot threaten me with quit notice. So. You cannot.
Is that what you said? I am not just threatening you. I am giving you an order. Did you hear me?
Then your wife will know everything.
What?
Okay, landlord. Don't push me to the wall.
What did you just said?
Don't push me to the wall. I can be dangerous when I want to be.
You're stupid. If I push you to the wall, what will you do? Will you break the wall or mow the block? Eh?
Okay, landlord.
Okay. I can see you are out. I will meet you at the other side.
Okay. I got Mazina. Okay. You enjoy someone's daughter, but not enjoy your daughter. Come and do your worst. Not scared of your threats.
Hey. I want you to answer me this simple question. And I want you to answer me honestly.
Daddy, is there any problem?
What is going on between you and Osita?
Daddy, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. I will make it up to you at the usual place tomorrow by 4 p.m. Does it make any sense to you?
Daddy, were you the one in Osite's room?
It's my Holy Spirit. It's my Holy Spirit. Now, can you answer me this question honestly?
Daddy, I think I love him. And he has proposed to me.
Shut up! What do you know about love? You think love is when an idiot, a bicycle rider, a goat killer, a gutter washer, when he uses a sweet tongue to razzle you up, and you open your leg in yakata for him to impress all the ingredients inside you, you think that is love? Eh?
Daddy, my Osita is special.
Shut! Anyway, This is the last warning I'm going to give you. The next time I see you with Osita, I will strangle you. I will donate you free of charge to the shrine of this community. And of course, you know, my Amadioha, love the kind of person you are. They love your kind of shape. I will personally strangle you before the shrine, and your blood will be gushing. Anyway, I'll see you.
Dad.
Come. Osita. Yeah. Osita. How was work today?
Fine, sir.
Thank God. I want to tell you that I have officially withdrawn the quit notice.
Landlord. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. You can live in my house now. Anyhow, anywhere, anytime.
Landlord.
But avoid my daughter. I don't want to see you close to my daughter.
But landlord, I'm in love with your daughter.
Unlove her. I want you to unlove her from the bottom of your belly. Did you hear me? Or you will smell my rot.
Okay, landlord. I'm not afraid of your threats. Your daughter and I are so much in love. And no knife can cut our love into two.
Shut up! Just shut up! Who said there's no knife that can cut it? I will use saw. Pull the saw, the thing will be sounding, and I will cut that love into pieces. Cut it into pieces, and nothing will be there. Did you all hear?
What is happening here? What is going on here?
You came at the right time. We were looking for somebody to watch us when we rehearse.
Yes, rehearsal.
And Osita, we are rehearsing a movie script.
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
Since government said we should be self-reliant now, and Osita, we have found a new job in acting.
Yes.
Some people came to shoot a movie in our community, and they gave the two of us role to play.
We were merged.
Yes, that is the language. We want to perfect ourselves like ROMD.
And just born.
And let me just tell you the truth. You must adhere to my instruction.
And you too, you have to understand me.
Shut up your mouth and get out from here.
You people are a bunch of jokers.
Jokers?
People are jokers. Nze, my eyes are on you. My eyes are on you. And very soon I will know what this is all about. Okay, you're always up to one mischief or the other. The wind will soon blow and we'll see the anus of the fowl.
And when that wind blow, they will notice that the fowl is wearing pants and the fowl is not naked. Yes, every time you'll be sniffing notes. I don't know whether you are one bee. It's only one bee that I know each time he's moving. Be yourself.
Yes.
Yes.
You had better be careful, though, because I've had my eyes on you.
Go and
You had
sit
better
down.
be careful.
Flavor have sung that song before. I put on eyes on you. Every time you are putting eyes on me, why not wear your eyes on me? Fly over. I don't know why. I don't know. Hey! Where did that go?
Osita. I want to know why my father not spend time in your room.
Ego, you have to go, please. You don't have to be here. Your father must not see you.
I don't care. And I'm not going anywhere to answer my question.
Ego. See, Ego, your father wants me to help him renovate this building. You know I'm a civil engineer.
Stop lying.
I am not lying to you. Please, you have to go.
You know what? I need a spare key to this apartment.
For what?
For what? Because we're in a relationship. That is why. Or are you going to deny the fact?
Okay, if you insist, I'll give you the spare key.
I insist.
Take.
Better.
What drama is this?
It's I, Sandra.
Sandra,
Good afternoon, Oga Landlord. My personal person.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. My personal person. Landlord with swag, swagalicious landlord.
You're so,
Zebonze.
Sandra, you're so excited. It's as if you have agreed to my proposals.
Well, I have a surprise for you.
Wow, a surprise
Yes.
for me?
I want you to follow me and I will show you the surprise.
To your room?
Yes.
For us to, you know?
Oh, come on. Why do you want me to tell you what the surprise is about here and now?
Oh my God! Okay, let's go.
Okay, but I will have to blindfold you.
Blindfold me? That sounds romantic.
Okay, so step up a bit.
Oh my God! Sandra!
Are you seeing my hand?
Sandra!
Are you seeing it?
I cannot even see your hand.
Okay.
Sandra,
I'll
you are
try
now
to.
making me like as if I'm Stevie Wonder.
All right.
Oh.
Let's go.
Sandra, how would I go now?
Let
Hold
me
me.
lead you. This is
Sandra,
satisfying.
are you sure you're leading me to the right way?
Yes, now.
Oh. Mm.
Aha, we're here.
Is it your room?
Yes.
Oh, Sandra.
So I will remove the blindfold now.
Okay. Oh my God, I'm going to
Don't
see
go
something
anywhere.
better.
No.
Sandra, you again?
No.
Sandra!
It's not what you think. Please.
No, landlord, no. I don't want you to be a friend anymore. I've come for us to be friends.
Friends?
Ami is your friend, and if I've offended you in any way, please, I want you to find a way in your heart to forgive me.
Please.
I can't believe this. An army officer reconciling with a bloody civilian like me. I can't believe this. I can't believe an army officer. Nduka, come.
Me, come. Nze. Fiagi, carry your cross.
Let me ease myself, please. Nduka, come.
Who is that?
Hey, look at my friend, oh. That's my friend who said, I will kick, I will box, I will maim, I will squeeze.
But why is he not running now?
He's running because of your boyfriend. He doesn't want to go from jump again.
So, Ogalano, are we friends now?
We are friends. Hey, this is surprising. This is surprising. I can never believe this. A whole army officer reconciling with a bloody civilian like me. This is surprising. Oh my God, I love that.
We are so sorry, sir.
Elisa, my friend, just leave me. Don't leave me. What's the problem?
Want to go and join those your useless friends to go and drink Ogogoro?
Elisa,
Enze.
Elisa, what is the problem? Why are you holding me as if you are dragging a cow to home wire?
You want to go and drink Ogogoro with those your useless friends? Okay? You did not even leave a dime for me. You're not going anywhere today.
How is that your business? If I drink ogogoro, I'm using my mouth to drink it, not your own mouth, Eliza.
I don't have any problem with you drinking ogogoro with your mouth. But the problem I have is that you did not leave a dime for me. You did not drop any money in this house. Lanoge, decent men, before they leave their houses in the morning, they usually drop money for their wife. But to go on, it's already mapo.
Eliza. Eliza.
And I said you're not going anywhere.
Eliza, you always see me as somebody who is not decent. How can somebody who is not decent now drop money for you?
Abia.
Eliza, you are holding me. Don't hold me as if I'm a cow being taken to Umuaya. Leave my whoop.
Eliza.
You pull my boxer out. Oh.
Eliza.
I'm not going anywhere. Vulture. He has arrived. Talk of the devil and he appears.
Eliza, why are you holding your husband by this time of the morning?
It's not your business, Mazundoka.
Look at what my wife is doing to me. Oh.
Hey. Eliza, can you leave him?
I will not leave you.
Leave me. Leave me.
I said I will not leave you.
Eliza.
I will leave you. Again.
Eliza.
Eliza, leave me.
Eliza.
Mazundoka.
I said leave him before I get mad at you.
You will not do anything. It's your business. Eh? Who even invited you into this matter? Mazundoka, please stay out of our trouble, please.
Eliza, I said leave him alone.
Eliza.
You're not going
Eliza,
anywhere.
leave him.
Eliza, I said leave him.
Eliza, he's not going anywhere. Okay, he escaped of where?
Eliza.
You aided him to escape.
Eliza,
You are one back to this all I have.
Listen, I am not your husband. Eliza.
Mazundoka, you cannot do more than a dead rat.
Will you leave me
I will
alone?
not leave you. You allowed him to escape of where? You allowed him to escape.
Eliza.
This is all I had. You bought market today.
Eliza, I'm going to go see Nketo Biatio.
And I said, Mazundoka, you cannot do anything.
Eliza, will you leave me?
I will not leave you.
Eliza.
You cannot do more than a dead rat. Let me get.
I said leave me.
Who brought into our matter? You saw a husband and a wife solving their family problem. They brought someone to matter. You're not going anywhere today. This is all I had.
Eliza.
Ngozi, advise me because I'm going crazy. Instead, my husband is driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm asking him, get me. I don't know what to do.
I can only imagine.
My dear friend, please advise me. Advise me on what to do before I lose it.
Very simple. Stop doing his responsibilities for him. Allow him to do it. Lisa, stop doing it for him.
He has never been a responsible husband or father. So how is he going to do it?
Oh, Lisa, it's because you allowed him. See, every month, you both should make a list of the family needs. Divide it into 2. You take one part. Allow Nze to take the remaining part.
How is Nze going to do it?
Is he not a man? He's a man now. You have to figure this out. Stop shouldering his responsibilities for him. You are the one making him to misbehave. Is Nze not a man?
Hey, what do I do? Kidding him there?
Do something.
Oh my God! What is happening here? Chinwe, so you've been sleeping with my daddy? Daddy, you have the guts to sleep with my best friend. Mommy must hear this.
No, my wife must not hear this. Don't tell my wife your mother about this. I will pay her school fees as long as you want me to pay it. I'll pay you twice.
I don't care. Don't pay for me. I don't care. You're a betrayer. Shut up! If I ever see your leg close to my house, I will kill you. Daddy, and as for you, you're a betrayer. Don't beg me for anything. Mommy must hear this.
I'm sorry, it's not my fault.
What is that thing that cannot wait? You see, I'm already having crisis in my family.
The situation is more complicated right now.
What do you mean by that? No, talk to me. What is that? What's the problem?
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? By who? For who? When? Where? What time?
What kind of question is that? You're not the one that have been sleeping with me all this while.
Oh my God. What will I tell Eliza now?
Well, you can tell her what you have been doing with me all this while. You tricked me. You know I never wanted it at the first place. You tricked me.
But it was just only once. Just Tom. You did not even allow me to get all the things inside. Eh? Just only once.
You did it many times, not once.
I think
What are you doing here? What are you doing here, you betrayer?
Oh, please, I can explain. Please.
Explain what? What is there to explain? I can't believe that you slept with my father, yet you call yourself my friend.
Ego, you know your dad. I can't stoop so low to sleep with your old dad. Ego, you use charm on me. There's even a bigger problem, sir.
Bigger problem? What are you talking about? Chima, what are you talking about?
Anyways, your father put me in a family way.
What? Oh my God. You know what? Leave this house. Leave here before I lose it. Get out. Get out!
Chima, this one you're under the sun. Hope you are fine.
I think I'm having malaria.
Malaria? Have you taken any drug?
Not yet.
I have to rush to the chemist and I get you some malaria drugs.
Well, don't bother. I'll be fine. Oh? I'll be fine.
But you're not running temperature now.
That's why I say I'll be fine. Oh? I'll be fine.
Wait. Chima, do you feel nauseous?
I'm not nauseous. I hope you're not insinuating that I'm pregnant.
Yes. Well, since you're not feeling nauseous, my suspicion doesn't count then. So, take care.
I don't want your plea. What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? Get out of this place. Take your friend out of this place. I don't want to see her here. Take your friend out of this house. She has broken my home. You have broken my home, isn't it? All the times that my husband was threatening you, did you come back to report to me? Did you come to complain to me? Which means you were enjoying everything that you were doing with him. Now he has gotten you pregnant. So why don't you go ahead and marry him? Go, let him marry you. I'm no longer interested. I am no longer interested. You have broken my family. Okay, I'm here. My friend, will you shut up? Shut up. Look at you. You brought your friend to come and break up our home. Our home is broken. Your father can go ahead and marry your friend. I'm no longer interested. Eh? Because I can no longer continue with your father. All the things I've been doing for your father. I provide for this family. I pay your fees. I take care of everybody. And this is how he pays me back. This is how your father pays me back. Go ahead and marry my husband. Shema, go ahead and marry him. Marry my husband. Nonsense.
Mommy, I feel betrayed too. Mommy, there is life after this. You see that?
Please now, please. I'm begging you.
Leave me alone. Leave my leg. Or give me. Nwanyi Nkwerre,
Please forgive your husband.
Please. We know that what your husband did was very wrong. But he's still the father of your children. Find it in your heart to forgive him. Biko.
Please, Elisa, forgive me. I don't know what came over me. Please forgive me. I'm under spell. See, I need prayer. I want prayer warriors. You should get prayer warriors. G.O. Evangelists, let them come and pray for me. Please, I'm begging you. Oh my God.
To err is human and forgiveness is divine. The word of God encourages us to forgive others of their trespasses, just as our God in heaven forgives us of our own. Nwanyi Nkwerre, forgive your husband. Oh?
Please.
Oh?
Forgive me. I'm ready to invite any G.O. to come and pray for me. Please. My head is scattered.
I've heard you people. I'll think about it.
Thank you.
Leave my leg.
Thank
Leave
you,
my leg. They go blame you. Come and shopper. We went about pregnanting young girls.
I did not know. Just Tom.
How are you? Ngo. Welcome.
Lisa, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Welcome.
How about the children?
They've all gone out. I'm all alone in the house.
Don't tell me you have forgiven your husband.
My dear, what do I do? What do I do? My hands are tied.
You must be a fool to have forgiven that irresponsible husband of yours. A man that got your daughter's friend pregnant. That is the height of irresponsibility.
My dear, this is the most difficult period of my life. I don't know what to do. It's tough.
That man made a fool of you. He wasn't thinking about his family or you.
So what am I going to do?
Get him divorced and move on with your life. After all, he's not paying your bills. All he does is to bring disgrace and humiliation to you. Or you want to continue answering Mrs. Obioma. Good woman.
My dear, this is going to be a tough decision. It's not going to be as easy as you think.
As far as I'm concerned, the decision has been made very easy for you.
My children are involved in this. They are the ones going to be most affected by this situation. I can't just walk out of my marriage like that. My children are here.
Eliza, they are grown now. They can handle it. You need to do the needful. Walk away from this your husband. Go very far away from him.
Good afternoon, Mama. Good afternoon, Auntie.
This is my entire fault. I brought you into our life.
My daughter, you didn't do anything out of place. You did nothing wrong. You wouldn't have known that your father would go frolicking with your friend. So it's not your fault.
What is the way forward now?
Mommy, we want to beg you. We know how difficult this situation is for you. But please, don't give up on this family.
Mommy, I know most women would consider divorce in this situation. But please, we are begging you not to do that. Please. Mommy, please.
I've heard all that you've all said. Give me time to think about it. I'll get back to you. I thank you all for being present in this meeting. It's been quite traumatic for me these past few days. I have been betrayed by my husband. the man that I loved so much, the man that I gave the better days of my life, he betrayed me.
Please, Elisa, please. Please forgive and forget, please. Elisa, please forgive me.
Let her finish that.
Please forgive me.
Let her finish, please. Mommy, go on.
I have thought over everything. I have no choice than to forgive. I have forgiven my husband.
Elisa!
For the sake of my family that I love so much, I can't afford this family to break up. I have also decided to accept Chinwe and her born child.
Oh, Mommy, thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
Mommy, you have really spoken well. And I am really happy hearing this from you.
Yes, Mom.
And I want to believe that Dad here has learned his lessons too.
Not even lesson, no. It's not just lesson, no. I've learned my lecture. In fact, I went into lecture and I have learned it.
And you really have a large heart. Thank you once again for understanding.
Thank
you, Mom.
Come here, come here.
Chimezie, I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. No, yes, this is my wife called Elisa with that Mary Kay.